Question 11 says, find the indicated angle measurement. Here we're looking for angle LMP and NMP. So we need those two angles. All right, so we have to set up an equation to solve for this. We know right here that angle LMN is a straight angle. So that means angle LMN is equal to 180 degrees. So if we add these two angles of LMP plus angle PMN, that gets us our total angle of LMN. Okay, that is 180 degrees. The two pieces are negative 16x plus 13 minus 20x plus 23. Negative 16x and negative 20x becomes negative 36x. 13 plus 23, which is 36, is equal to 180. Subtract 36 to both sides. This does cancel. And let me scoot down. 180 minus 36 is 144. Negative 36x is equal to 144. Divide by negative 36, divide by negative 36. Cancels. X is equal to 144 divided by negative 36. That gets me x is equal to negative 4. Don't freak out because we're asking to find these two angles. So angle LMP is equal to negative 16x plus 13. Let's plug it in for x. We know that x was negative 4. So it is negative 16 times negative 4 plus 3. That gets you 67 degrees for angle LMP. So this is 67. And then let's find angle PMN, which is negative 20x plus 23. Negative 20 parentheses negative 4 plus 23. Negative 20 times negative 4 plus 23, which is going to be 103. That is what angle PMN is. 103. If you add these, 67 plus 103, that gets you 170. Hold on, something's off. It should be 180. Let me check my work here. 180. Hold on. 13 plus 23. 13 plus 23 is 36. 180 minus 36 is 144. Divide that by negative 16. No, divide that by what? Negative 36. So hold on, 144. 180 minus 136 is 144 divided by negative 36. That gets you negative 4. Plug it in. All right, plug that in. Let's see, negative 16 times negative 4 plus 13, 77. So this is 77. All right, so I had to recheck the calculation. This is 77 and this is 108 because together, right, this is 77 degrees because together they have to make up this 180 degrees. So that's how I double checked my work. Okay, those two angles have to add up to 180 because it says it right here, straight angle. Okay, next let's look at B. We know that here angle XYZ is 117. So angle XYZ, which is I think the entire thing, XYZ, yep, that is the entire thing, is 117. It's made up of the two pieces, angle XYW plus angle WYZ. This is 117 because we were told that right here. And then we have XYW, that's 6x plus 44. Then we have WYZ, which is negative 10x plus 65. Okay, 6x as negative 10x, that becomes negative 4x. 44 plus 65, it is 108. That equals to 117. Minus 108 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you 117 minus 108. This gets you a 9 equals to negative 4x. That does not become pretty. Right? That is not pretty at all. Let me see something. 65 plus 44, it's 109. Ha 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 ha. This is really 109 minus 109. This is 109. So 117 minus 109. It's 8. Yes, this was not 9. This was 8. Divide by -4. Divide by -4. 8 divided by -4. It's -2. That makes more sense. Okay. Now we want the value of angle XYW. That is 6x plus 44. We substitute in the value. 6 times -2 plus 44. That gets you 32. So angle XYW is 32. This is 32 degrees here. Let's find angle WYZ, which is -10x plus 65. -10 times -2 plus 65. -10 times -2 plus 65. That gets you 85. Okay, that is what angle WYZ is. This is 85 degrees. Okay, and there you go. Always double check your work. Okay, I made little minor errors, but you should always double check your values to make sure it works. Okay, wait, hold on. 32 plus 85. 32 plus 85 is 117. Yep. Okay, just always double check your angles, making sure that they add up.